What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. I know I have been really busy lately with work, and last week we took a little vacation to Aruba, so it's been like a month or two since my last video. So so as you guys can see from the title, yes, I traded my Infinity G35 for this. This is the 2013 Scion Frs. Man, this is a car that I always wanted. Believe it or not, I had this car back in 2013. I had it over a year and what so. And then we traded it for the BMW because the family was growing, you know, the kid was here and all that crazy stuff. But hey, look at that. The car is back. This is not my original Scion Frs for back in 2013, but you know, it's the same color. It's the same damn model, you know, like. Now unfortunately this car is not running. I have to get a tow here, but you know, the guy, you know, was nice and you know, offered towing and all that, so we got it back into the house. This is going to be our new project for the winter. The car is not running right now, I think because the battery, and also is missing a, you know, the key for the immobilizer. Look at that. It's kind of beat up though, but this car actually have 90,000 miles though. Pop the hood. For the previous owner, he was saying that the car wasn't running, the motor was bad, something, I don't know. But we're gonna try to figure out what's up with this motor. We try to wrench it up and it turns no problem. I think the battery's dead. Now what I'm thinking to do is I want to take the 1JZ out of the S13 and put it in here, or probably get another 1J and do our CD09 in here. I'm not really sure yet, you know, but hey, I think the car is mint, you know, got a couple of dents. I think this is done by Hell. I think this car was reported as lost because the Hell damage on the hood, and also has some Hell damage on the trunk. Now this is a little weird. Look, we got Hell damage, not much on the trunk, but there's a lot on the hood, but there's nothing on the roof. I guess all that, you know, cosmetic stuff, it could be replaced or fixed. It's not a big deal, but I think I got a really good deal out of this car. Man, I'm so excited. I got this car before I got onto the trip last week. Like I said just previously, I went to Aruba. I spent a week over there. Man, amazing place to spend with the family. Look at this. And also I ordered a manual transmission, not manual transmission, a clutch pedal, you know, because this car is actually automatic. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car yet. I think I got a really good deal on this car because as it is now, this car value is about 6 or 7 grand. And hey, believe it or not, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I paid $2,500 for the G35. So it's a gain. It's a gain, you know. Unfortunately, you know, the car, you know, missing stuff, but the chassis is straight, no rust or bend or what is they call it, or you know, accident. It's a new chassis. It's a 2013 chassis. So man, I'm so excited. I just wanted to share with you guys. Just got back yesterday from Aruba. I had a nice long vacation. I spent 8 days with the family. I brought my wife, my son, and my mom. We had a blast. We had a blast. I didn't want to come back because the sun, look, it's really gloomy on this day. It's windy, it's cold here. I just want to be out of here now again. So the plans for this car is, I don't know, I want to make this car a nice car to drive around. And also I want to drift it, but if you want to drift it, you can't have a nice car to drive around, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, so let's see what is in the budget and whatnot. So here's the engine bay. Motor spins. We wrenched it up the first day that we got it, and it spins freely. The motor is not seized, but I think it's the battery's dead or the starter's wrong or something. It's missing a couple of stuff. The intake that he had, he took it. I mean, the chassis is pretty much straight. It's not accident or anything crazy, you know. It's not like a bang or like a kink on the frame. There's a little kink over there, but this is, I don't think this is from an accident. Let's see, there's kink on both sides, so I think that's how it is, the nature of the chassis. We got the trunk as well. There's a whole bunch of crap on the trunk. I think the previous owner was a military guy or some shit. But there you go, the trunk is here. Whole bunch of stuff here. There's that that under tray, the metal aluminum on the tray. There's the exhaust here. I can clean all this shit up. Man, this is so filthy. I mean, I think I got a really good deal. Like I say, this car value as it is now is about 6-7 grand, even it's not running, you know, because the model and year. It just, man, it's just missing a couple of stuff. Hopefully I will get it running. You know, I think I'm planning to do with this motor is I might pull it out, and then I probably buy another 1J and put it in here, or I already have a 1J from my S13. I could do is take the 1J out of the S13 and put it in here, you know, do all the mods in here and whatnot, and then probably part out the S13. I'm not really sure yet. I love the S13, but you know, when things has to go, it has to go, unfortunately. But yeah, what do you guys think? This thing is amazing, man. Look at that. You guys rather have the G35 or a, you know, 2013 Scion Frs? Tell me the truth, no lies. Man, I love this car so much, man. The lines and everything is so good, you know. Oh, another thing that I was thinking is if I put a 1J in here, I don't know about the balance distribution about the car. It might be a lot heavier in the front, you know, than this 4-cylinder FA20 stock motor. I don't know. This motor have 90,000 miles, so it's got plenty of life. So I'll probably get sell it for like 2 grand or some shit, and then buy parts for the new build. I was thinking go LS. LS is a lot cheaper. You know, we might get it running for 3 grand. But I don't know. It's really depending. I really like the sound of the turbo. Maybe 2JZ or 1JZ. So you know. Oh yeah. So one thing that I want to upgrade to the brakes. I love the CTBS calipers. You know. I already saw the brackets for the conversion, so we're gonna be running bigger brakes on the front and also bigger brakes in the back. Maybe a dual caliper, you know, drift stuff. I'm gonna have to replace the seats. There's a lot to do in here. We'll have to clean up this shit first because this is filthy, man, as hell. Look at all that. This seat is gonna be gone. That seat is gonna be gone. I'm gonna try to gut everything inside. I don't want the rear seat for nothing because I'm not gonna be having passengers in here because it's just only me. This is a solo car. We're gonna be upgrading suspension. I already talked to Tommy from Partial Max. We might be getting some coilover from Partial Max. If not, we're gonna run BC Racing as usual. Man, I've been looking for so many stuff. Oh, another thing that I will need to fix is this lower rat support is a little kinked up. I think from previous owner. The previous owner hit something, I'm pretty sure, and it's kind of messed it up. I think there's an oil leak, I'm not really sure. But anyways, we got this car last week, as I just mentioned. Man, I just love it so much, man. What do you guys think? There's actually some hail damage. I think this car was reported total loss because of the hail damage, and the guy bought it. I don't know, I don't really care how much he bought it for, because at the end of the day I think I'm gonna have a, you know, a newer chassis, you know, than the G35. I mean, don't get me wrong, the G35 was fine, you know, running good, but it was pretty old, you know, and high mileage car. The G35 has 100,000 more than, you know, this car, so why not, you know? I think the hood could be replaced. I'm already looking into a carbon fiber hood. These panels over here, it could be fixed. I'm probably gonna end it up like wrapped up the car, you know, fixing all this with Mondo and whatnot, get it fixed, all the little dent and shit. The trunk is pretty straight, have no problems. And also on this side, oh yeah, there's actually hail damage in here too. Well, I guess more fixing, more painting, sanding, Mondo, wrapping. And also this light is missing. It's not really important. I think this thing is broken. We might gonna delete this shit, you know. Oh yeah, they took it out. Doesn't really matter. $50 on eBay, get it fixed. Am I gonna do new lights? A lot of body work, shit to replace and whatnot. But hey, you know. Damn, it looks so good. So the only downside about this car is an automatic transmission, but who cares, because I already got the clutch pedal and the slave cylinder, you know. I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna be drifting this car, driving this car sick. This thing still works though. I'm gonna jump it up. I'm gonna actually show you guys the mileage. All right, so everything is set. Jumping cables on the F350 V10. Big boys getting drive over here. Whoops, god damn it. All right, so I already have the car keys on. I don't think it will turn on because the key is actually missing the chip, but I don't know, it might crank. Whoa. Actually spin. Oh, because we tried to jump start it the other day. Look at that, right there. It does. It does. Let me just actually put this out. I think there's actually good compression on the motor. Look, this is the thing that we were trying to do the other day. Try to, you know, start it up, but it wasn't enough battery on the car. But oh, it's in neutral, that's why. There you go, on park. Look at that, guys. 96,000 miles. Everything works. The fan, I think the radio works too. What? Power windows. Damn, look at that, power windows. And I'm just so stoked about this car. I think this car is going to be a very good platform for everything I want. The horn doesn't work. I mean, our airbag is bad. I don't know, man. This just might deploy on my fucking face now. Wipers, they're worn, change. Lights works. One of the lights works. What? Oh, this light's cracked. Look at that. I'd have to be replaced. A whole bunch of stuff. Signal, maybe signal. Well, signal doesn't work. Hazard. Only that doesn't crank. Interesting. So yeah, guys, so this car actually have 98,000 miles. You see that? 96,000. Man, sick. Man, the last trip was 1,348 miles. Well, oh, you see? It's missing the immobilizer. The car thing is flushing now. That's why it doesn't do anything. But other than that, I mean, not the immobilizer. Well, yeah, I mean the key chip. Look at this. This car didn't actually come with chip, so it's locked. It's for safety. For safety. God damn it. I might have to buy another. I don't know. Is it even necessary? If you put the motor in, you probably won't even need the key to turn this crap on, you know. Lights on. Everything works. We're just trying to charge the battery up a little bit, but we know that this thing actually does spin. Good sign. Good sign. All right, so pretty much I'm gonna finish the video over here. You guys already got the update. The car is good. The motor is good. The chassis is good. Everything is good about this car. I love this chassis. There's a lot of actually, you know, plans ahead for this car. Motor, suspension, brakes, tons of stuff. So, you know, just keep in mind that I do this for my hobby, and I vlog for my hobby as well. I've been busy with work lately, you know, and also vacation, you know, gotta, you know, enjoy life a little bit with the family and stuff like that. But I try to upload my video as soon as possible, as soon as I can. As you guys know, vlogging, editing, and filming and all this crap takes a lot of time. So just be patient, and also follow, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.